Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on a Black & Decker 20V Cordless Trimmer Edger follow-up video. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much. Okay, well, there are a lot of questions I noticed on the forum about this product, so I thought I'd make a secondary follow-up video. First thing I want to mention that there's two batteries that come in this unit. It's worthwhile to buy a third or fourth one if you have a big yard. In my case, my yard is very small, so I don't have to worry about that. So first, how you put the battery in, that's one of the questions, I guess. You put it like that, and it'll clip. To release, just push this button over here, and you can release it. Just slide it in, and clip, okay? The other question I found a lot of questions that people ask is how you turn this unit on. So notice there's a button over here, and there's this button over here, that right here. This is the line one. You want to make more line, press this button, okay? So this is how you handle it. If you're right-handed, of course you're left-handed, you can press this button on the left. So this is the handle over here. This is assuming you saw my other video and you know the basics what I have in this unit. It's a very simple unit. It's not heavy at all. Not to mention it has a wheel on the bottom over there, so you can just glide. And I'm going to demonstrate that as well too. So first thing you want to do is actually put your finger on the bottom over here and press this button. That's how you turn it on. See how I did that? Just press this button. And there's actually two different speeds as well. There's a slow speed and there's a more powerful speed. This is number one, and it's the slower one, okay? And this is to advance the line. So you're pushing this, and you need more line. You got more line, okay? All right, the other thing I want to mention is this is a multi-purpose tool as well too. That's one of the reasons I purchased it. So you can actually say you want to cut this thing over here. So that's just demonstrating how it works. Other thing, this is the part that I want to show. By the way, I still have a lot of line with there. I have another demo on the lines, by the way. Put this over here, twist, and this becomes a different tool, okay, altogether. All right, so this was for your protection over here. So you want to keep it not close to your feet, so you don't want to get injured. And it's also best to wear sneakers instead of sandals. I know I'm probably wearing sandals in this video. So you use this one, you see the line over there? So it spins the line really fast, and that's how it cuts. And you use this to balance yourself, to hold it, right? And it's not heavy at all. So a lot of other questions come about how long the battery run. Well, the battery doesn't run for a very long time. I think it's probably about an hour or so. And again, correct me if I'm wrong on that. I don't remember 100% of the time. So it takes a while to charge. If you ran out of batteries, you know, it might take 4 or 5 hours to charge, I guess. Of course, I didn't time it, so I don't remember. I just leave it charging. I'll go look at it later, right? But the biggest thing is like doing edging. It's really useful to pull this, pull it out, pull it like that. And it's a great edger. That's one of my favorite tools. And it's cordless too, so that's all the plus to this tool. And you know, if not that expensive overall. I mean, that's pretty much it. I think that answers most of the questions. I thought I'd do this follow-up because there were a lot of questions, and you know, I know I didn't cover it that in depth in the first video. So hope you liked the video. I really appreciate you help me with a thumbs up. You help support the channel and help support what I'm doing as well too. All right, thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.